Let's talk about submitting expenses in BigTime. From our navigation bar, we're going to choose our Time and Expense module and choose Expenses from the drop-down. Now, as you can see, I do have 4 line items that have been entered in as expenses so far. If you don't come straight to a view where you have your individual line items, you may have this view instead. In order to see items that are currently unsubmitted, we can just simply select the Unsubmitted expenses. At the bottom of the screen, because we have some expenses that have been saved in the system, we have a hyperlink that says click here to submit these expenses. I'm going to go ahead and do so. Now, what it's going to ask for is what we want to title our expense report. So we can jump in and say that this is Brea expenses for August of 2017. Now, we also have a radio button that allows us to select which specific expenses we'd like to include. So maybe I'm just going to submit this for my Acme Corps. By clicking on the radio buttons next to the 2 items that I would like to have for this expense report, I can then go ahead and select Submit Expenses. I get a new identifier that says that my expenses have been submitted. It gives me the dollar amount in expenses and what's remaining in unsubmitted expenses. Now, I can go ahead and do also a bulk expense report for both my BigTime software implementation and my Stark Industries. So we can go ahead and jump in, rename this, and maybe these were for July. I can then go ahead and submit expenses. This will go ahead and actually submit all of the remaining items in my unsubmitted expenses bucket. To be able to view the expense reports, we can click back, and every expense report that we have put into the system will be here. We have the status, which will show submitted. And if you ever want to be able to print off an expense report, we have our quick print icon directly to the left of the expense name. You can choose to send it to a PDF or to a Word document. We'll choose PDF today. And it's going to also ask us how we would like to be able to show the receipts. Today we'll use none. When we print, it will go ahead and create a PDF for us down in the bottom left-hand corner. And you can see the items that were submitted on this expense report. On behalf of your BigTime team, we hope you enjoyed our video and hope that you have a wonderful day.